Hey you guys, we are at Sunset Crater National Monument. It's a volcano that last exploded or erupted 1080, so just over 1,000 years ago. Be right back. Okay guys, yeah, this is pretty cool. Look at this. We're gonna go walk down through here. This is all lava. Using my gimbal today, guys, which I need to use more often. Don't do a whole lot of, haven't done a whole lot of walking videos here lately. Watch out, gravel is slickery. Oh, here's another aspen tree with initials carved into it. Yep, feels like lava. Yeah, I've never been to Hawaii or anywhere where there's been, where I've been this close to a volcano. The crater is actually over here, maybe. You can kind of see above these trees here is black there. That's the crater that blew out, and then the lava came out of there.
Bring back dignity. Time and time again I relapse, but love has never left me. Perhaps I should have found a way to.
Pretty neat, huh?
Yeah, just put some water down. Clean your own water. Watch out for all the things down there,
Okay, we're gonna do, that was just a short little one. Now we're gonna do another one I think is a little bit longer. Okay, we just went down the road a little bit farther. We're closer to the crater here. That's pretty cool. It just looks like, you know, a little fine rock. Or who knows, maybe it's rock solid. But this is now the Bonito Vista Trail. The length of the trail is only 733 feet. So, I guess, yeah, this is the same stuff here. It's kind of what I pictured it to be. Up there. Well, I would think when it would rain hard, it would bring a lot of that stuff down, wouldn't you?
You think?
Okay, you guys, this is the Cinder Hills Overlook. So you just 360-degree view of what the volcano did. If you can imagine, 1,000 years ago, those trees weren't there. It's probably just all that black stuff. See miles and miles in that distance there. Anyway, we're just taking the scenic little route out of here. We'll be back with you tomorrow. Have a good one. Okay, guys, as we were leaving Sunset Crater, we came upon this. It says Pueblo. Apparently 800 years old. Wakuki. All right, let's go. Sorry about the wind. Some interesting rock formations here. Yeah, San Francisco peaks there, Mount Humphreys. See the snow on those mountains. And right here where we're at, it's 99 degrees. Air holes there. Man, this is kind of cool. I did not know this was here. Very neat. That's a good lookout for them too. Okay, can I get in here? Oh, oh, oh. Out of here. No, no, no. There must have been people. Oh, there's hot baked Italian.
You got me acting out. You, all tenderness is out the window. What you do to me when the cold bites blue is straight cool. Oh, it has to be you leaving writings on the wall. Promise me roses and a hungry haze, but now there's only madness. Got me feeling dusty. Got me feeling dusty. I can't even whisper and it's hard to see. Don't take my hand away.
Hey, good morning, you guys. Yeah, we're headed to down to Phoenix to get the topper. Met a friend. Gave him a ride to Walmart. Name is Steven. Be right back. Hey guys, yeah, so just got to Tom's Camperland here, and they just happen to be dropping off some toppers here too. This ARA semi. Mine arrived last week, so anyways, just right over here. Look at all these campers. So many different kinds. But yeah, there's a big bear in there. He's getting it wired up for the light inside in the camper shell. So hey, I thought while I'm here, I'll show you guys a couple of kind of cool campers. This Free Solo, which is kind of teardrop, which it is teardrop. So 2021, just under 17,000, just over 2,000 pounds weight. Look, what more do you need? Of course, that goes down into a bed. There's your fridge, and I'm sure a small freezer. There's your air conditioner, microwave. Yeah, all your tank information there. Shows which your batteries, your fresh and your gray, and your black tanks. There's your shower. Yeah, Free Solo. Oh, a little bit of storage here too. So, yeah, that's pretty cool. Then this one here, this Black Series. What is it? I'm not sure who makes it. It was almost $55,000. Wow. Whoop. Let's see, I don't know. I'm right here. Okay. All right, big old griddle. Wow. Camp stove, kitchen, and a decent little garage. Let's see inside here. Solar sensor light. That's nice. I want to get 3-4 of those for the Prowler. That was nice. Better be for almost 55,000, right? Oh yeah, real nice. Huh. Headquarters. Oh, that's nice. It shows you in percent what percent of your gray water is full. How much your fuses or breakers. Kenwood receiver. Storage. I am not sure what those are. Got the plastic on them. Of course, your TV. You got a couple of closets here, some drawers. Drawer down there. So just a drawer here. Nice vent. There's your air conditioner. Oh, there's that Kenwood receiver. What's this? Must be for your Alright, your inverter, battery charger. Okay, storage. Dometic stovetop. There's your fridge. Wow, this bathroom's nice, isn't it? Okay. I don't know about 55,000, but this is definitely nice. Porcelain toilet. Let's give it a good old prime pooping test here. A little tight, but I think I'll give it a 4 out of a 5. So warm in here. It's supposed to be up to 99 degrees today. If you're coming down from Flagstaff, that's feeling pretty warm. So yeah, this is got the rack back here. A couple of heavy duty spares. Oh wow. I guess if you're in some, bouncing it off of rocks, I guess. Didn't even notice it on the other side. Yeah. I'd be darned. Okay, I just thought those were pretty cool. Be right back. Hey, what's up, you guys? How's the bear look? That topper looked nice. Yeah, look at all the room in here. Carpeted ceiling. You know what? I'll show you that later. Okay, we're packing up. This is Thursday. We're packing up here. We are going to go dump, fill up with fresh water, and then tonight we're gonna overnight in a Cracker Barrel parking lot. Hopefully, if they have the room when they get there, which we'll get there before noon, so they should have room. So we'll see you at the Cracker Barrel. Hey, you guys. Yeah, we are at Cracker Barrel. This is where we're staying the night. Here's RV parking right here. I don't know what he's doing there, working on something. You can see other RVs here. I got it so I can get out in the morning. Yeah, we're gonna go and have some lunch. Tomorrow we're hitting the road. We're gonna be headed I-40 east. So who knows what we'll find there. I gotta get this video uploaded too. So God bless. Check out my Amazon link below. Share this with a like-minded person. And subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Love you guys. We will see you next Saturday from who knows where.